everyone, welcome to the next session on MATLAB Basics. In this session, we will take up decision making in MATLAB. We will discuss the switch statement. A switch block conditionally executes one set of statements from several choices. So suppose if you give a few choices and you decide that I want to discuss about a particular choice, then each choice is covered by a case statement. An evaluated switch expression is a scalar or a string. So it's a number or a alphabets together. That's a string. An evaluated case expression is a scalar, string or cell array of scalars or strings. The switch block tests each case until one of the cases is true. A case is true when, for numbers, the case expression and switch expression both should be equal. For strings, when you string compare, the case expression and switch expression should be again equal. For objects that support the equality, the case expression and switch expression should be equal. For a cell array case expression, at least one of the elements of the cell array matches switch expression as defined above for numbers, strings and objects. So that's how you're going to decide in switch statement. When a case is true, MATLAB executes the corresponding statement and then exits the switch block. The otherwise block is optional and executes only when no case is true. So this is the syntax for switch case statement. You will start with switch and give an expression. Then there will be various cases which has to be executed and there will be a case statement. Suppose if I write switch A is equal to 10. So case when A will be equal to 10, you will have some statement printed. If you have A is 20, A is 30, A is 40, then it will not be printed. And then finally it comes out of the block if none of the cases have been fulfilled or maybe one of the case has been true. And after end, if you write another last statement, then that will also be printed. So you can see here, grade B. Switch grade. So we are talking about the grade. We have chosen B here. First case is A. So obviously this is not true. Case B. You can see B and B has equated. So what will it print? Well done. It will not go for case C, D, F otherwise because it has already got a true statement for case B. So we will just run this program on MATLAB and I'll show you by changing this grade value over here what you obtain. New script. I'll save it as C7. First when I run this, it should print this one, well done. So you can see here, well done. B has got equated with this string B. Now suppose if I change this grade to A, it should print excellent. So let's see what happens. You can see excellent has been written here. Now suppose if I change this to C. This is the case for C. Let's write here 2 exclamation to differentiate between these two, well done. So when I write here C7, you can see here well done with 2 exclamations. When you write here D, you passed. And finally if I write here F, better try again. You can see here. Now suppose if I write a grade which is not there in these cases like E, what we'll get the result as? Invalid grade. So it has gone to this otherwise loop and printed invalid grade. So this is how you operate switch case. You are going to write a grade here or you'll give a particular value to a variable. This variable is tested with switch and then in each case it is tested. So wherever the case is equal to the switch, that statement will be printed. With this, I end the session on switch statement of decision making of MATLAB. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.